for, I guess. Dude, why was he driving with the GoPro stick on? It's when you're bored in traffic. You play with your wing. You play with your wang when you're bored in traffic. Where's the ZR1 at? Tuck it away in the back. Okay, these. Oh, it's a Demon 170. Brand new ZR1. It doesn't look a ton different than the Z06.
Yes, it does.
Not really. The hood is different. That's about all that I see. Color of it either. What's going on with this thing? I'm sure it's some special performance edition, but Lingen filter. Ferrari that actually went on recharge, which is kind of crazy to take a Ferrari on a rally, especially an older one. It's a gated manual? What? You took this on a rally? That's ballsy. Fair enough. SLS Gullwing. This thing is sick. I do love these cars still.
You like the interior of this?
Kind of. It's really, it's aged. But everything else about this car is incredible. Look at that.
The interior is disgusting.
Oh yeah. This thing is crazy, dude.
That is tough.
This color and these headlights are insane. This thing's so clean.
And it's safe. Oh my god.
Fire.
I'm sorry, but you're getting demonetized.
I'm going to prison.
So bougie.
So bougie. Great play too. Yes.
The interior on this. This M8 comp interior, bro. Look at that. That is hard.
Whoa. That's sick. The four-seater.
The carbon lux.
That's
beautiful.
sick. Nate's car, but with a lot more cost. I think it's a Superleggera.
I just got the word October 25th. We'll be having all the cars in here.
Black C7 with a blue gun. And it's manual. It's kind of fire, actually. And he apparently also has a GT4.
Unboxing?
Unboxing? What?
I'm taking over, not off. I'm not a plane. This is gorgeous. With the baby seat in the passenger seat. This thing is actually so fun.
Lovely.
This
This is great. Could you get any closer? It's insane. Another rally that I've never heard of in my life.
Radman Motorworks.
He's got some crazy paint on it. Little sparkle paint. LC500 like a green. Oh my god, it's got brown interior. This is sick. Absolute heat. That's fire.
Hillbilly mechanic over here. Oh my god. Look at this thing. That's actually insane.
What is this setup? What is this exhaust?
Oh, it's gutted in the back? It's gutted? Wow, that is utterly terrifying.
There's so much to like take in here. I don't even think I can express what I'm looking at. It's like, it's so well done for what it is, which is shocking. It's not like all thrown together like some of the things. Like, it looks really well done.
Yeah, it does. And it has like super good welds.
The welds are on point, actually.
I mean, for what it is, yeah. Those are like custom welds. Bro, the headers are upside down. Headers are upside down. Turbos are out the hood. And it's gutted. This is crazy. Thickums right here. Jeez
There's a
Louise.
wide body kit.
And there's a Thickums right here.
I think that's a carbon wide body. Lisa, what?
He's in love. He's in love.
Oh, it's got the red buckets.
Oh, Jesus. Wow, this is clean. Don't mind the curved wheels. Oh my god. This thing is... I want to know what just made those sounds.
AMG S63. This is a luxury vehicle. That somebody
You
You
just
know
saw
what? These
the
aren't
reflection.
crazy expensive either. I saw one of these for sale in a coupe form, S63, 38 grand. Seriously? And it had 80,000 miles on it?
38. I would not buy this with 80,000 miles.
No. Not because the motor is
80,000 miles. See that? That's why I wouldn't buy it with 80,000 miles.
No, that was
No, just wait,
The S-Class, so the electronics are scary.
That's why I would buy it.
The electronics are scary, that's why. The actual motor is probably fine.
You look like a hobo. Maserati with the Maserati wheels, the Transformers thing. With the, I don't even know what to call this interior. We got a TV in the door. We've got, what the hell? Got a TV in the thing. We got champagne and like a chalice. This is so interesting. We got speakers up there. Got the red chrome, by the way. And then we've got speakers there. We got a shiny TV in the back. Oh my god, that's so loud. And then we got a TV in the door over here. This thing is a disgrace with the baby one. Dead matches. Why? Need to invest in, dude. The Subaru Brat. These are street legal seats that you can strap in the back.
Oh, that's a camera. We need this thing.
Yeah, dude. Oh, dude, look at the sunroof.
It's T-top. This thing's tough.
Put the wheel under the hood?
What?
Oh my god. It is so loud. Jesus.
This is the one that they had for sale at some point. The
Is it?
HREs on that.
Ooh. This thing is gorgeous, actually.
Perfect now,
I didn't even notice there's an R34.
That thing is sick too.
I got distracted by the HRE.
I know. Watch your back.
Golly, this thing is clean.
Sniff but don't scratch. That's a very interesting sticker.
This thing's actually so cool. Oh, it's green. It's green. I don't think the camera can pick it up. But this thing is really clean. Green, white stripes, wood trim. Wow. This thing is fire.
Oh my lord! Dear God! Very quiet. Durango. Little 911 action. They don't care. Oh my lord. He's getting on it. Oh yeah. It ain't fast, but it's sick. Oh, Jesus Christ. Now that I've started sitting down, I am severely concerned. So, hey, are we eating my Twizzlers? What was that? That's fire. Let's go on.
you're shifting.
That was so loud. Oh yeah. That man's got no AC in there. He's got a tiny fan. Hold on, listen to what America has to say. Not a lot.
It's so loud.
It made fun sounds. Oh my God, the flutter! What? Oh my God! Yanko? Race car! Viper ACR? Okay. Oh my lord, dude! It's set back down.